Here's a new spin on the spoon. The dome, the new kitchen tool that's great for baking. It's got a very wide blade that stirs a big batch of dough quickly and easily, and it kneads bread dough in only 1 minute and scrapes the bowl with its built-in blade. For strong, stretchy dough that really puffs up into a big, beautiful loaf. It's great for making all kinds of cookies. You can sift, stir, chop, blend, knead. It's got so many moves. So you can mix the cookies in just one bowl with just this one tool. Making any kind of dough is easier with the dome. It spreads butter into sheets and gently gathers pie dough for flaky crusts. Make fresh pasta dough. Place eggs in a bowl, stir in the flour, and knead it all until it's smooth. Make your own gnocchi. Place your cooked potatoes in a bowl, mash them with the dome. Just add some flour and knead them together. Turn shredded vegetables into vegetable fritters. You can mix and knead with the dough, and they'll really stick together. So you can fry them or bake them. And the dough also does this, and 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 this. And people love to use it. It's easy to use. It speeds up your work with less need for cleanup because you're working in a bowl. And you can subscribe to our blog and learn how to bake wonderful treats with our easy, streamlined recipes and clever baking tips.